Have you ever tried to explain a new AI concept to your team and you're just met with, those blank stares? It's a super common problem. Well, today we're going to break down how simple visuals can make even the most complex AI ideas finally click for everyone. All right, before we really dive in, just a quick note. This is part 17 of a free 20-part tutorial. It's called Prompt Engineering Strategies, Getting the Results You Want While Protecting Privacy and Sensitive Information, and it's brought to us by Virtualization Options LLC. Okay, let's get into it. So you've been there, right? You're explaining this amazing new AI tool or some process, and you can literally see the moment you've lost the room. It is so frustrating. But guess what? There's a really, really effective way to fix it. Okay, let's break down the actual problem here. The reason AI can be so confusing is that a lot of the concepts are, well, abstract. They don't have a physical shape, you can't touch them, which makes it incredibly hard for our brains to grab onto them with just words. This is the perfect way to think about it. Trying to explain AI without pictures is exactly like trying to describe a spiral staircase over the phone. You could say all the right things, right? It curves as it goes up, or the steps kind of pivot around a central pole, but the person you're talking to is just going to get completely lost. That's what it feels like for your team when we only use text to explain AI. So how do we fix this? How do we make these ideas feel solid and, understandable? Well, the solution, laid out in Chapter 17, is actually beautifully simple. We use visual communication. Think of it as the bridge that connects a fuzzy, abstract idea to a clear, shared understanding. And here it is, the core principle, right from the source material. What's so crucial to get here is that we're not just talking about adding pretty pictures to a presentation. No way. We're talking about fundamentally changing how information gets processed, making it concrete and accessible for absolutely everyone in your organization. You know what's so cool about this slide? It's actually doing the very thing we're talking about. Instead of a big block of text, these simple icons and short phrases make the benefits crystal clear. Visuals get everyone on the same page, they untangle complex processes, they help people actually remember what you said, and they close that gap between the experts and everyone else. All right, let's get practical and talk about the tools. And the best part? You do not need to be a graphic designer for this. The source material points to some really simple but incredibly powerful tools that, trust me, anyone can use. First up, flowcharts. These are absolutely perfect for showing a process from start to finish. So imagine you're explaining a new AI-powered customer service bot. You could map it out just like this. A customer asks a question, then the bot analyzes it. If it knows the answer, boom, it responds. If it doesn't, it moves on to a human. A simple chart like this makes that whole thing instantly make sense. Next up, we've got diagrams. Now, while flowcharts are all about sequence, diagrams are fantastic for showing relationships. You could use a simple diagram to show how your sales team, your marketing team, and your support team all connect to one central AI analytics tool. It just clarifies who's doing what and how it all fits together. And finally, infographics. These are your secret weapon for telling a story with data really quickly. Imagine you want to show the impact of a new AI system. You could combine some key stats like, say, a 40% drop in response time or a 20% jump in efficiency with some simple icons. It's powerful, it's persuasive, and it's super easy to share. Okay, so we've covered the why this is so important and the how with some simple tools. Now it's your turn. Let's talk about putting these ideas into practice. Here's a little exercise for you. Just think of one AI-related thing that's kind of a pain to explain. Maybe it's how your company's recommendation engine works. Just grab a piece of paper, a napkin, whatever, and try to sketch out a super basic flowchart for it. It doesn't have to be a masterpiece. The whole point is to just see how turning it into a visual makes it clearer, even in your own head first. And just so we're all on the same page with the tools we talked about, remember, a flowchart is all about sequence. It's a picture that shows the different steps of a process in the right order. Step 1, Step 2, Step 3. Simple. And an infographic, well, that's more like a visual summary. It's specifically designed to take complex info or data and tell a story with it really fast and really clearly, just like that example we talked about with the AI system's impact. And that really brings us to our last question for you. And hey, let's forget about AI for just a second. Think about your workday tomorrow. What is one complex idea, any idea at all, that you could make instantly clearer for your team with just a simple drawing on a whiteboard? That right there, that's the power we're talking about.